Are tech stocks a buy now? Tech stocks seem to have lost some momentum. I still feel the big 7 tech stocks are overvalued right now. However, stocks tend to go up in the long term. Is it a good idea to buy tech stocks? Alphabet, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, Meta right now, considering I am in for the long run 10-15 years? Should I just wait for the prices to reduce further? I am afraid a bull market starts from here and I end up losing the opportunity of buying them at a good price. I have consulted my crystal ball and it says yes. Qs are down 4 from recent highs and 11 from the euphoric highs. This is barely a pullback. For 10-15 years, yay. I wouldn't say they've lost momentum though. They're down like 1-2 along with the rest of the market besides Nvidia. I think they've got a good way to go too. If you are in it for 10-15 years, emo, they will be worth much more than now. I know nothing though. Good luck. I am afraid a bull market starts from here and I end up losing the opportunity of buying them at a good price. This is how I know we're nowhere near a bottom. MSFT down 36 under Bomber 2000, 2013. If AMZN and Meta grow revenue 11-12 annually over the next 5 years, they aren't particularly expensive. My Magic 8 Ball says ask again later. Many small and med caps are trading at bargain basement prices now for tech. I'm buying anything but the big 7 to capitalize. Risk on. Yes, I like the valuations of even big tech. But there are steals right now in growth, small caps, unprofitable stocks, most ARKK stocks. Take a look at SQ, TDOC, RBLX, DOCN, ZM. Just steals right now. Goes beyond just the tech sector. Solar is down big. ENPH. FSLR. Defense is cheap. LHX. Healthcare is super cheap. mRNA. CRSP. Beam. Lithium stocks are steals. ALB. Lots of deals out there outside of big tech. Timing the market. Time in the market. Never buy, always wait for the bottom of the dip. If you miss it, keep waiting. Microsoft is always a buy if you are an investor. If you are a trader, I couldn't tell you. I'm an investor. I believe it's the #1 stock held by hedge funds. Peace symbol. ISTG. Please go research what is considered overvalued as far as investing goes. Once you have a firm understanding of that, go and research what is considered undervalued. Then even after that, go and research the different types of investing strategies there are. This isn't even the bare minimum you should do, but it can start to give you an idea of where to start. You can't just feel like something and make your decisions based on that or the idea that stocks just go up. I guess you could actually do this, but why not at least try to put some effort into it and understand why you're making decisions that will impact your financial future. Just go QQQM and put a certain amount per week. I've been doing this for a year other than a big nut 10 months ago and I'm up 26. OFC. Having these companies is always a buy. 3 years ago Apple was at 205, I think. Did you see that public freaking of buying the new iPhone in Dubai? There will always be consumers. This is what I am currently doing with the stock market portion of my folio. 33 VGT Vanguard Tech ETF. 33 BRK. B. Buffett's company. Great historical perf. 34 VU Vanguard SP 500 ETF. I buy $100 of SPY, QQQ, and Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta every day. I'm a buyer of Apple as long as they continue to demonstrate command over their business. I don't think anyone investing for a 10-year horizon will care much for price fluctuations today. No. But treasuries are. Looking out 10 years, most of these names will maybe be up 10-20 from where they are now then. Amazon is going to outperform this quarter. I am loading Amazon and Google calls ATM. SPCE. Holy shinola. Goads no. Hold powder dry in short and near-term treasuries until VIX spikes over 30, then wait until T10Y3M finally gets above 0. Oh no, we're going lower. GMEE. No. Tech just had a decade of supercharged returns driven by unprecedented spending by unprofitable companies, digital transformation initiatives, and multiple expansion. I expect the next decade to be lousy for tech stocks as a group. My advice would be to ignore big tech altogether and look for opportunities in less hyped areas, such as pharma and consumer staples. Let's wait for that shutdown first. Should I just wait for the prices to reduce further? Assume at Monday's open they fall 1, do you buy? Then they fall another 1 Tuesday, do you buy now? They fall 10 over the next month, how about now? Assume you're disciplined and wait. After these stocks have fallen 10, are you going to be thinking, I need to load up on these stocks that are tanking right now? If you want to own them, then just own them. The only exception I'd make is if you feel they're egregiously overvalued. Market is of technicians pointing to a rally starting anytime soon. Through the end of the year. Edit downvote if you want. But it's gonna happen. Save the comment. I wondered why everyone in this thread was even dumber than usual and just noticed I was on R. Stocks XD. At least 2 of those won't exist, will be irrelevant in 15 years. Do with that what you will. Can someone help me out? I've invested quite a bit in Apple, and now that the iPhone 15 is out, when would be a good time to close the stock? I've been expecting the price to go up, but it's been the same for a while now. Any advice would be very appreciated. Thank you. FTC says no. They were a buy in October-November of 22. For 10 years holding, yes, they are a buy. You should wait. If you know they are overpriced, why would you buy now? Exception may be MSFT. All others should wait. You should first learn to eliminate your FOMO. Start finding credible sources like actual interviews of Wall Street whales pros. I bet you won't find a single one saying to buy in right now. I missed out in Jan. That was the time if I couldn't pull the trigger on Google at 90 or NVDA at 200, then I'm out for a while on tech. Just DCA your way in and it will be okay. The only thing is, once you start, don't ever stop. With these stocks for a long position, DCA is the way. Otherwise just wait until you can't wait anymore. I have an intrinsic value on Block Square of $67 a share and a FAR value of $99.75. My own DCF growth estimates. It is currently trading at $44.71. I have been loading up. I am looking to swing trade this stock with a time horizon of about a year or so. Thesis is if Bitcoin actually does do the halving run up, over the next year or so it will take the Bitcoin associated stocks with it. Also, both the RSI and MACD are showing oversold on Square as of right now. That's my DD. Yes. Don't stocks go up? Or down? I think thinking face no they go up. Buy some docu, severely undervalued, and work from home is only getting more popular. I'm not buying RN. This isn't a good value. October has been historically bad for the stock market. Wait a while. Use the money you have for the tech stock and buy a crystal ball. Best ROI guarantee. Hub C. When Apple stops buying itself, you should stop buying AAPL.